Assalamu alaikum my dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islam Studies of National University School, Bonafide, Dhaka. Okay, today I am would like to take an Islam Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter-1 SQ short question 5 to 8 discussion. Term half yearly. Today's lecture number 4. And I will give HW whose number will be 4. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board. Chapter 1 SQ 5 to 8 discussion. Question number 5, short question number 5. Who is the last Nabi? Answer. Any prophets come on this earth, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last and final messenger. Final messenger or Nabi. Okay. Number 6. Write the names of 4 big kitabs. Write the names of 4 big kitabs. Answer. The names of 4 big kitabs are number 1 Taurat, number 2 Jabur, number 3 Injil, and number 4 Quran Majid. Okay, dear students, we know that there are 4 big Asmani kitabs: Taurat, Jabur, Injil, and Quran Majid. Taurat was revealed on Hazrat Musa alayhi salam, Jabur was revealed on Hazrat Dawud alayhi salam, Injil was revealed on Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, and last and final heavenly book Quran Majid was revealed on Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Okay, dear students, now we will start question number 7. In which era and where was the great Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam born? Answer. The great Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam was born in Quraysh family in the city of Makkah in 570 AD. Okay, dear students, now we will start question number 8. What is the meaning of word Muhammad? Answer. The meaning of the word Muhammad is praised. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib gave his name. Okay, dear students, I want to repeat again question number 5 to 8. Question number 5. Who is the last Nabi? Answer. Many prophets came on this earth. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the last and final messenger or Nabi. Question number 6. Write the names of 4 big kitabs. Answer. The names of 4 big kitabs are number 1 Taurat, number 2 Jabur, number 3 Injil, and number 4 Quran Majid. Question number 7. In which era and where was Hazrat Muhammad, great Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam born? Answer. The great Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in the Quraysh family in the city of Makkah in 570 AD. Question number 8 and last one. What is the meaning of word Muhammad? What is the meaning of the word Muhammad? Answer. The meaning of the word Muhammad is praised. His grandfather Abdul Muttalib gave his name. Okay, dear students, it's enough today's class. Now I am to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. Today's HW number 4 and topic of HW. Write the answer of question number 5 to 8. Write the answer of question number 5 to 8. Okay, dear students, every question is very, very important for your half yearly examination. So you have to must pick up every question in your HW copy and submit your HW copy on every Saturday from 9 AM to 4 PM. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.